All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're going to see what's going on around the shop. All right, first up, we've got a Honda in Bam Bam's bay with a AC leak. Hose was leaking and an oil change. He's waiting for the hose to come in. He'll get this knocked out in the morning. All right, this Volkswagen it got all new engine mounts for engine vibration. It's all done. He just has to go test drive it in the morning. All right, this Jeep is the girlfriend of our service advisor, Brett. It was misdiagnosed at the Jeep dealer as needing cylinder heads. It actually had a bad driver for the ignition coil for cylinder number 1 and 4. So we've put a new PCM in it and it's good to go. It's not misfiring anymore. My other bay is empty. I was able to knock out everything I had today, so I get to start fresh in the morning. This is a Volkswagen GTI that we popped Zach's cherry on. He got to do his first walnut blast and it runs good. He didn't get a chance to test drive it before traffic got too bad, so he'll get to deal with that in the morning. This Honda Civic is Zach's. He has this one is getting a complete air conditioning system. Air compressor has failed, so it's getting a expansion valve, a condenser, and a new compressor along with a flush. This Subaru is Josh's. It is a pre-trip inspection. Unfortunately, it has been sitting for a year, so he needs to go over it pretty thoroughly, make sure if there's any issues. We already know it needs tires, so he's going to finish writing this one up in the morning. This Volvo is, again, Josh's. He put control arms on it and a CV axle for a noise complaint. Now, he solved that noise complaint, but unfortunately it's got a different noise now than you had before. The strut tops are making noise, and unfortunately the axle he put in has to be warranted for vibration. All right, this Saab of Jesse's is here for a poor running on cold start, and he had to warranty a coolant temp sensor on it. Unfortunately, it had failed, so he had to warranty that, and we want to double check it in the morning and see how it does. All right, this Jeep, it's a good ticket for Jesse. He's got 2 window regulators that have failed. He's getting replaced. He had to do a evap smoke test on it. He's got some bad hoses he has to replace. And unfortunately, the customer did decline the blend door actuator, so he got an AC recharge on it, and still a good ticket. All right, this Jeep has kind of been a nightmare for me and the parts guys. Unfortunately, it had a bad condenser that was leaking. Condensers we got from several other suppliers and Jeep would not fit the hose assemblies that were on the truck. Apparently they had a parts change and it would not fit. So we wound up figuring out that the hose was what was changed. So we got a condenser. In addition to the condenser, we had to replace a hose because of the orientation of the fitting. It was going sideways instead of straight. Hope you liked this video of what's going on around here. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe. Make sure and hit that bell notification so you get notified when I put out a new video. If you didn't like the video, give me a thumbs down. Maybe you don't like seeing guys that actually make money. And as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.